What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo again. Today is Wednesday, 10:48 p.m. at the moment. So, and tonight we're going to be talking about random numbers in C++. And what I noticed is that in C++ there is more things, more libraries, more functions you have to use in order to work with random numbers than working in when you want to do random numbers in JavaScript. Script is a lot easier to do this. But anyway, so we're going to be using in the header file the library ctsdlib, ctsdlib, or something like that. And that's how we have to use. That's where the function rand is located. So we have to, if we do a cout, a rand function, supposedly it's supposed to give us a random number, right? So let's see. We execute the program, we run the program, and it gives us a number 41. See, it gives us a 41, right? Let's do this. So it gives us a 41. If I run it again, it's going to give us a 41 again. Okay, it's 41. If I run it again, it's going to give us a 41. You know, why is that? Why is giving me 41 over and over? Yeah, if I execute this 100 times, it will give me 41 100 times. So in order to work with this, we have to use, in order to generate the random numbers, there is other data types that we have to use, other functions we have to use, and we gotta add one more library so it can work really well. So for example, we're going to use an assign data type. Go yeah, assign, man. We're going to use a seed. This is how the structure is. This is how it works. The seed will kind of generate the random numbers right there. Okay, we have that. Why do we use an assign? We use an assign. It's because it holds all non-negative numbers. So which means all these random numbers that will come through this will be positive. It will not be negative numbers. Yeah, that's why we have the unassigned. Now, also, we have to use another function. We're going to use the time function. We're going to pass an argument which is going to be 0. So what this is going to do, man, it's giving me the little line. It means that I have to include a library for that, which is going to be the ctime. Okay, now it's going to go away. Go away. Yeah, it went away. So what happened is the time is going to make sure that the random numbers change. You know, it will give you one after another number, but different numbers and stuff. And also we're going to be using a strand function where we're going to pass seed. Yeah. So this is the structure how it's supposed to work. If you use all of this, the random number function, it will work. Okay. So let's get rid of this and let's start printing a random number. Oh, let's do a end. Let's put a number. Okay. Now over here, we're going to use the number equals to rand. We're going to use the modulus, and then we want to run from 1 to 6. We're going to use the maximum value is going to go first, plus 1. And now here, yeah, it's going to give us the random number. If we do a cout, if we use number, it's going to give us the random number. it will print the random number. So let's see. Five. Let's keep doing it again. 6. Nice. 1. Okay, it's generated all the numbers. So now we want, let's just do a little user input right here. So let's add another variable. Let's add another, let's, oh man, what do we write down? What we're trying to do? Well, let's ask the user to enter a number, and let's see if the random number is going to match the number that the user enters. Yeah, let's do that. User number. I don't know why I couldn't find a better number than that, a better name than that. Okay, let's do a cout right here. No, actually no. No, we don't want to do a cout right there. Cout. Enter a number. Enter a number and enter a number to see if, enter a number from 1 to 10. This is the ranges that we want, from 1, enter a number from 1 to 10. Enter any, let's put any number from 1 to 10 to guess if it is your lucky number. Okay. Okay, let's do a sing. Let's do user number. Okay, we got that. So let's do this. If, let's put an if condition, if the user number equals the random number, we're going to say cout whoa, we're going to say whoa, you guessed it right, to guess if it is your lucky number. Whoa, oh man, what's wrong with me? Whoa, you guessed it right. Your lucky number is. So if the user enters a number and then it matches with, if that matches with the random number, it will say, whoa, you guessed it right, your lucky number is, and let's put right here number. Okay, else cout sorry, that was not your lucky number. Sorry, that was not your lucky number. Let's put the number was. number. You know, the number, yeah. Let's do that. So what's going to happen with the program is this. Let's get rid of this. If when the user enters a number, if that it's equals to the number, to the random number, it will say, whoa, you guessed it right. Your lucky number is, you know. If no, it will say, sorry, that was not your lucky number. The number was, you know, yeah, let's see that matches. Let's see the program works. Let's run it. Enter any number from 1 to 10 to guess if it is your lucky number. Okay, let's do 4. Sorry, that was not your lucky number. The number was 3. Oh man, see? What the heck? Let's do it again. Let's do 10. Sorry, sorry, that was not your lucky number. The number was 4. Man. Let's do 3 again. Oh, 3, let's see. Oh yeah, very close, very close. So now what we have to do, I mean, we can just be here maybe half hour, an hour going, trying those numbers. But let's change it over here. Let's do maybe 4, just to see the program works. I want the program to print this. Okay, let's see if that works. It's a lot easier to do with 4 than 10, I think. Enter. Yeah, I didn't change that. Should change that. So let's do 3. Sorry, it was 1. Okay. Do it again. Let's do 2. Sorry, man, nothing. Oh man, it's kinda hard. It's getting hard. Let's do 1. Sorry, nothing. Let's do 4. 4 this time. Let's do 4. Oh man, nothing. Let's just keep changing this. Let's do 3. Change that to 3. And the lucky number, let's do 2. Whoa, yeah, you guessed it right. Your lucky number is 2. Yeah, I got it. Nice, nice. But anyway, so that's how random number works. So I want to do another video with more exercises with random numbers. But anyway, so that was the whole video for these random numbers. It was just kind of simple, but hopefully this kind of helps somebody out there. And actually it's kind of helping me a lot so far. But anyway, thank you for checking the video. Have a nice night. Yeah, goodbye.